Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the camera lens glass on the Samsung Galaxy A13 4G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap in the SIM slot or charger port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the car pry tool and gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Be gentle when taking out the back cover. The fingerprint sensor is attached to the back cover. Next, take out the 3-in-1 camera lens unit with the frame using a tweezer. Next, apply heat to the broken camera lens glasses. Next, using a tweezer, push from the rear side to take out the broken lens ring. Next, clean the lens area for broken pieces. Next, place the new lens ring with adhesive. Next, follow the same steps for the other broken lens glasses. Next, secure the 3-in-1 lens unit on the body. Next, heat and remove the broken macro lens glass from the back cover. Next, place the new lens ring with adhesive on the back cover. Finally, snap in the back cover and run through the sides to secure the clips. And also, do not forget to add the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.